Hello, I'm Dr. Patel, founder of Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center in Northern Virginia. I love helping people lose weight. In fact, here are my 12 top weight loss tips. Number 1, find your own personal motivation for weight loss. Is it your health, improved energy, getting into certain clothes? Is it your family, your children, your loved ones? Write these down in a place where you will see it often. Number 2, when it comes to weight loss, there is no one-size-fits-all plan. You need to find a plan that fits your dietary preferences and lifestyle. This happens to be our expertise, so reach out to us if you want to create a personalized plan for you. Number 3, sustainability is a very important criteria for a successful weight loss program. Make sure whatever weight loss plan you select will be doable for you long term. Your goal is to lose weight and keep it off. So no more yo-yo dieting. We would love to be the last weight loss place you ever have to go to. Number 4, set small weight loss goals so you can see immediate results, which creates momentum to accomplish your ultimate weight loss goal. Number 5, many people resist tracking their results, but it is very important and has been shown in some cases to actually double your weight loss. You can learn so much about your eating habits simply just by tracking in an app. I recommend that you weigh yourself at least once a week. Number 6, build in accountability. This is vital and can make it more fun. We have our patients come to the office regularly, every 1 to 2 weeks. Find a support team. Your spouse or other family members, friends, or even coworkers tend to be good choices. Number 7, you may need the added help of prescribed FDA-approved weight loss medications. Realize that this is not a weakness, it is simply physiology. Number 8, don't forget that what your body does at night while you sleep is just as important as what your body does during the day. Pay attention to the quality of your sleep and aim for a minimum of 7 hours of sleep at night. Getting good quality sleep consistently will make you more successful with your weight loss results. Number 9, don't compare your weight loss progress with anybody else's. Genetics, lifestyle, age, and other factors make everybody's journey different. Number 10, you can lose weight without exercise, but exercise is crucial for weight management, keeping the weight off. There may be barriers now, such as pain and fatigue, but you can tackle these with modifications that work for you and gradually incorporate a higher degree of exercise into your plan over time. Number 11, understand there will be plateaus, but keep in mind there will be times such as holidays when not gaining weight is considered success. If you hit a plateau, stay motivated and stay the course. And number 12, celebrate your wins and accomplishments. Let go of the never good enough phenomena. We would be honored to be a part of your weight loss journey. Give us a call at 703-783-5673 or visit our website at healthymeweightloss.com for more information on how to get started.